Here are the built-in data structures in Python, starting with lists. A list is an ordered mutable collection. You can add items with append, insert at specific positions with insert, or combine lists with extend. To remove items, use remove, pop, or del. When it comes to accessing, use square brackets. Next up is dictionary, and a dictionary stores unique key-value pairs created with curly braces. You can add key-value pairs using square brackets, and remove them with pop. To access a value, reference the key in square brackets. A set is a unique collection made with curly braces or set. Use add to insert, remove to delete, and iterate to access elements. And finally, a tuple is an immutable list created with parentheses. For single element tuples, add a trailing comma. Square brackets are used to access elements. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.